say to the mother who says, I really only attend things that align with my values and where I feel that I can genuinely learn and expand?
Mhm.
Look for thoughtful conversations with really bright, ambitious, curious women and experiences that feel new and meaningful in the realm of wellness, spirituality, and personal growth. Our time is full as mothers. And so anything we say yes to has to really make sense, and it has to feel nourishing and worth the time I could spend working, or most importantly, being with my children. What would you say?
Yeah, I would say there's nothing more worth spending time doing than learning to feel yourself again, than learning to see yourself again, to hear your voice singing, to feel your feet in the grass, to sense a, a feeling of belonging to yourself. There's nothing more important, especially for our women, that I've noticed, than having time to breathe. Because these things, these nourishing, nurturing things, bring out the nourisher and nurturer in our women. It doesn't matter what part of society you play, whether you're the CEO or you're the CEO of the house, which is what every woman, regardless. It just happens. That's just how it goes. However, if you're not present to yourself, that's where I get the term, I feel like I've lost who I am. I feel like I don't know what my purpose is. Is my purpose just these things? Absolutely not. But how would you know that if you haven't felt yourself, if you haven't sat for a moment, just a moment to just feel into this woman that you are? It happens, and usually when you're sick, usually when you're exhausted, right? The moments where you have no choice but to be still. You choose to be still, you bring your intention, you open up, and you allow for that to move through you, you will know it's worth it. And that surrender, that surrender is a good surrender because I know the mindset of these women, and surrender, and it is not in the vocabulary all the time. Like I don't have time to surrender. I have to fight, fight, fight. I think naturally, and believe what you want. I think naturally the power that the woman has comes from surrender. You are the receptacle of life. You are the first, and especially in my wisdom traditions, the first receiver of the magic of life itself. So surrender is a necessary part of the process, and there's nothing that feels better than that. So I, yeah, it's worth it.